Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. What I have here is a block plane, but this is a special block plane. It's got two distinguishing features. One is a very low angle block plane. You can see that the blade, compared to this one is a standard angle block plane and this one is a low angle block plane. It's supposed to make it shave in grain easier, and it does. This one, I've cleaned the blade, flattened it, and sharpened it. It's not shaving sharp, but I'm not going to put a lot of time into it because this is another one of those I hope everybody gets a chance to bid on a plane. So I'm going to leave it at a minimal investment on my part so that you can buy it. The other distinguishing feature, it has an adjustable mouth. Unlike a Stanley 110, which has a fixed mouth, it's all part of the casting. This one has an adjustable mouth. But the little knob is missing. I used this plane for quite a while and I really liked it, but then I got one that had the knob on it. So this one became an extra, something I don't need. This is a number 60 low angle block plane. They were made from the late 1800s up to about 1950. And I couldn't tell you what year this is. I never really cared. I wanted a low angle block plane. So I bought this one. And as you can see, the adjustment, the little knob is missing. I imagine somebody borrowed that for another plane because this one was used. So I put a bolt, a couple of lock washers, and a flat washer in there, and it holds the adjustable mouth just fine. Since most of the time when you adjust a plane, you adjust it once, then next time you sharpen it, you adjust it again. This has never bothered me. It's not like I'm going to be constantly fiddling with a little knob every time I make a pass with a plane. So this is a nice little plane, and since it is as is condition, I haven't resharpened the blade, I haven't done anything other than showed it to you. Comes apart nicely. Blade looks to be in good condition. Little adjustments work on the blade depth of cut, but like I said, the knob on the front, it's not there. If like me, you want a low-end user with an adjustable mouth and the low angle blade, which makes it nice for cutting troublesome grain on hardwood, then this is your baby. It's going to be going up on eBay the same day this video is released, so not going to put a reserve on it. Just bid on it and have fun. I'll put a link to the eBay sale in the description on this video. If you have any suggestions for new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union, without the express written permission of the parents or legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.